This video is going to cover practice test 1, number 17, 18, and 19. Okay, so 17, we have these two figures right here. And we know that they are similar. So what we're looking for is we want to find side X and we want to find side Y. So we know that they are similar. So we don't have to confirm that. So what we do is we have corresponding sides 10 and 12 because they are opposite of the number 2 angle here. So that means that 10 and 12 are corresponding. And also 8 and Y are corresponding because they're opposite the number 1 angle. So that means that I can write 10 over 12 is equal to 8 over Y. So we cross multiply and we get 10 times Y is equal to 12 times 8. Divide by 10, that becomes a 1. Divide by 10. And I get 12 times 8, 10. .6. So that means that Y is equal to 9.6. Okay, so now let's look at X. So 15 and X are corresponding sides. All right? So I can write 15 over X. So that means this figure is the numerator. So that means I can use 12 and 10. So that equals 12 and 10. So 12x equals 150. Divide that by 12. Divide that by 12. That's 1. 150. 50 divided by 12 equals 12.5. So X equals 12.5. All right, so now let's look at number 18, where we have a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, this side and this side here are parallel, and this side and that side are parallel. Opposite sides will be equal. Now I know I didn't draw this exactly the way it is in the figure, but it's the same idea. So if this side is 7, then that means this side is 7. So AC equals 7. And DC equals 10. So opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. So angle C is equal to 110. And angle A is equal to 70. Now there's a lot of different ways we can look at this if you wanted to. You can think of it as parallel lines here cut by a transversal. So interior angles are equal. All right? Alternate interior angles. So if I expanded this that way, that means that this angle and this angle would be equal. Both of these add up to be 180, so 180 minus 70 would be 110. So you can think of it that way as well. There's a lot of different ways you can look at that. Or if you just know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay? So let's take a look at number 19. Number 19, we are going to find interior angles. So the equation for that is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so quadrilateral. So that would be 4 minus 2 is 180. So 2 times 180 is 360. The next is a pentagon. So 5 minus 2 times 180. So 3 times 180 is 540. And then we have an octagon, which is 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 1080. Let me verify that. So 6 times. Yep. Ta-da!